In Taney County, cases of whooping cough are on the rise. Health officials say they're seeing more cases right now than they typically would this time of year. Whooping cough is widely known for the intense coughing fits it causes a person to have. Health experts say a person can easily spread it to others for the first 3 weeks of coughing or until they complete 5 days of antibiotics. The best way to prevent it is vaccination, according to the Taney County Health Department.
They're actually boosters that you can get throughout life, so it's usually about every 10-ish years. But of course, you can always call your healthcare provider or your local health department, and they can pull up your vaccine record to know if you need to get an update on your whooping cough vaccine.
Greene County health officials say they're seeing a decline in whooping cough cases, with 1 case last month compared to 25 in January. Officials say past trends could indicate, though, an increase of cases as summer progresses.